ॐ सहना भवतु।
ॐ सहना भवतु।
सहनौ भुनक्तु।
सहनौ भुनक्तु।
सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै।
सह वीर्यं करवावहै।
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै।
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं
ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं
शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं
शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये।
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं।
वरदे कामरूपिणी
वरदे
कामरूपिणी
कामरूपिणी
विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि
विद्यारम्भं
विद्यारम्भं
करिष्यामि।
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे
करिष्यामि
सदा।
सदा।
येनाक्षरः समाम्नायम्
येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम्
अधिगम्य महेश्वरात्
अधिगम्य महेश्वरात्
कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम्
कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं
तस्मै पाणिनये नमः।
तस्मै पाणिनये नमः।
अपूहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
विसर्जनीयां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचूयशानां तालु
तालु
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्त्याः
ऋतुलसानां दन्त्याः
दन्त्याः
उपध्मानीयानाम् औष्ठौ
उपध्मानीयानाम् औष्ठौ
न्यमगणनानां नासिकाञ्च
यमगणनानां नासिकां च
एदैतौ कण्ठतालु
एदैतौ कण्ठतालु
कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तौ कण्ठोष्टम्
ओदौ तौ कण्ठ औष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तौषम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
तुमुन्. We have seen it is called infinite. So infinitive in tumun. Use of infinitive. The infinitive is used to express the purpose of an action. He came to acquire knowledge. So vidyam adhigantum. Same way the infinitive is used with adjectives for meaning fit, able, and verbs meaning to wish, to begin, and to be able. So patum asamarthaha asmi. I am unable to drink. So patum infinitive. He wishes to hear the song, to hear shrotum. He began to run. Dhavitum arabhat. The infinitive is used with the verb arha, means to deserve, in the sense of polite request. You should protect me. Mam rakshitum arhasi. Krishna Bhagavan has many times used this arhati. Bhavitum arhati. The infinitive has no passive form. So when the passive is to be expressed, the verb accompanying the infinitive is put in the passive. So I begin to see the trees. Vrukshan drashtum arabe. So I begin. So arabe, to see, drashtum, the trees. And in, if we say in passive, then vrukshaha. So vrukshaha, arabha means there is a aham is there. So maya vrukshaha drashtum. Vrukshaha is plural. That's
What would
why
you like to know about Keshore Rickshaw Bhavesh Riksa?
La. So how it go?
Which phone for Dr. Yogesh So? Mobile or home?
How it will go?
Apple notifications send a message I can't read. 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 And a message I can't read. Would you like?
So we have seen that, that inverted comma we have to put with iti, that we have seen the noun clause introduced by the conjunction that is rendered in Sanskrit by double accusative. He thinks that Rama is a hero. We have seen as a compliment in first or I think second lesson of this Anton only. The noun clause introduced by a conjunctive pronoun is equivalent to an adjective clause. What he says is true. That which he says is true. Yad vadati tat satyam. This yad and tat is called a relative pronoun. Indirect speech does not exist in Sanskrit and must always be turned into direct speech. The end of the direct speech is marked by the word iti. He told me that he had conquered the enemies. So saha avadat, then starts inverted comma. तो अहम शत्रुन जीतवान, दिस इज इति सह अवदत्. Then relative pronoun, everything we have seen, if you remember, then we can go direct to exercise. That we have seen everything.
Relative pronoun is yet and all that, no?
This yat tat, yasmai tasmai, like yada yada hi dharmasya, tadatmanam, says yada tada,
यस्य तस्य
yat tat. And almost suppose this is called a relative pronoun. Suppose yena, even here also must be. But here, if you check yena, by whom, yena aksharam samamnayam maheshwarat apigamya krishnam vyakaranam proktam, this tasmai and yena are called relative pronoun. By whom this is done, that is that. So almost all Sanskrit, and particularly this Stuti shloka, no? Mukam karoti vachalam pangum ulangayate girim yat kripa tam aham vande. So tam aham vande, yat kripa, then tam, yat tat, like that. All are called. Here also yasmai, then saha gruhat gataha yasmai pustakam dattam. So yat saha yat means saha, then sa, and what is that tat? So connective is yat, yaha, ya. Ya kundendu tushar har dhavala. If you check, the sa will come, ta will come, like so. And we have seen 1, 2, 3 and 4 are only decline, like Rama Shabdavat. And after 2 is almost, they have always only dual form. And 3 and 4 are always in plural form. There is a no singular and dual for 3 and 4. Even you know the apaha. Apaha means water. Apaha. It always decline only in plural, because ap is collective plural. There is a ap, then apaha, adbihi, like this, adbihi, like that it will go. Then adabhyaha, apam, apsu. There is a no singular and dual form for apa. So if we have seen this, ekaha means one, ekaha, eka, ekam. This is only in singular form. There is no ekaha, eko, eke. No. Because ekaha means singular, no? So this is only singular for masculine. This is only singular for feminine, and this is singular for neuter. So ekaha, ekam, ekena, ekasme, ekasmat, ekasya, ekasmin. Same, this is also in singular. Ekam, eke, rest is like this. Same way, dvau, dve, dve, dvau, dve, dve, and this dvabhyam, dabhyam, dabhyam, dvayoho, dvayoho. Only dual, because 2. And this 3 is always in plural form. So trayaha, train, tribhihi, tribhyaha, tribhyaha, trayanam, trishu. Tisraha for feminine. Tisrubhihi, tisrubhyaha, tisrubhyaha, tisronam, tisrushu. Same for masculine, feminine, always plural. Chatvaraha, chaturaha, chaturbhihi, chaturbhyaha, chaturbhyaha, chaturanam, chaturshu. Here, chaturshu. चतस्रः चतस्रः चतस्रुभिः चतस्रुभ्यः चतस्रुभ्यः चतस्रुणां चतस्रुण चत्वारि चत्वारि, then rest is like this. That much we have
Chat-
seen actually.
What is that? The seventh case, Chatursu or Chatursu?
Chaturshu.
Chatur.
That's why I put it Chaturshu.
Chatursu.
Chaturshu.
Yes.
Because this refa is also half, not chatura, full. Chatur.
Chatursu.
Samarthah, able. Asamarthah, unable. It is a adjective. Samarthah, samartha, samartham. Even shakya also. Capable of being done. Prashamaha, cessation. Prasham, prashamam and ni. Both are together means to check. So prashamam is like a prefix, but the whole word is there. Sarathihi is a masculine charioteer. Arha, arhati to deserve. Yat, yatate to strive. You know there is a one verb in first conjugation, jayati, jaya. Actually is G.
Yeah.
This becomes J and its last form will come Jayati. Means it is a Parasmaipadi. Jayati is a Parasmaipadi. But along with Para, plus if A will come and become Para Jayate.
Parajay.
So there are
With we also.
Huh?
Jayate. With we also it becomes Atmanepadi, no? Vijayate.
Vijayate. Yeah. So there are many verbs are there along with some prefix. So if Atmanipadi is there, they behave like a Parasmapadi. Parasmatipadi is there, they behave like Atmanipadi. So from Yat also, there is a Yatati comes somewhere. But at that right now I don't remember. From this I have remember. Yujyate, it is proper. Khid, khidyate, this is also in passive they have put directly. Yujyate. Khid, khidyate is also to be depressed. Shak, shaknoti, ihe sodhu prak sharir vimokshana. So it is actually fifth conjugation. Shaknoti, to be able. Aruroho in sixth conjugation. Arohati, to mount, to climb. From ruha, passive means PPP is rudaha. Like vach becomes ukta, no? This ruha become ruda. Doshaha, fault, defect. Gunavat, virtuous. Gunaragin, a lover of virtue. Kalankaha, spot, mark. Vyadihi, masculine, disease. Jatamatraha, hardly born, just hardly born. Va means or. Anuragaha, love. Sammanaya, sammanayati, to esteem, to honor. Samsad, sansat, from here only Sansad Bhavan, assembly. Utsaranam, driving away. Rajavallabha, courtier. Ati pushtanga yuktaha, strongly built. Actually it is written Ati pushta. Anga, then yuktaha. one who is endowed with nourished limbs. And ati means exaggerate. That's why they have given strongly built.
Strong.
Like Pelvan.
Fully developed thinking.
So translate the following into English. The first one is दोषम् अपि गुणवती जने दृष्ट्वा गुणरागिणः न खिद्यन्ते प्रीत्येव शशिनी पतितं पश्यति लोकः कलङ्कम् अपि. Who will do? I am seeing first again Sheetal. Easy actually.
Okay.
This is Sati
दोषम
Saptami.
Sati Gunvati, no? Sati Saptami. And Sashini is also Sati Saptami,
Sati
no?
Saptami, yeah.
Dosam api. Guna raginaha na khidyante. That will be the main statement, no?
Okay, yeah.
So lovers of virtue, 1/3. Lovers of virtue are not depressed
Seeing
Gunvati by seeing
dosha.
dosam, yeah, fault in the people, in the virtuous people.
गुणवती जने दोषमपि दृष्ट्वा गुणरागिणः न खिद्यन्ते. So Gunavati Jane,
On seeing,
having seen even defect in virtuous people, lovers of this
virtue
they
are
do
not depressed.
are not depressed. But there are some fault even in moon also. That's why they say here. Say
Priti, Prityeva. So Priti, we have to make it.
Pritya eva. This is eva means is a Vriddhi Sandhi. So eva is there.
Eva, and Priti, Priti eva.
Tritiya.
Pritya.
Pritya.
Pritya eva Shashini.
Pritya eva Sasini Patitam Pasyati Lokaha
Kalankam api.
Kalankam Api. Even though people see Lokaha Pasyati,
Kalankam api. Kalankam api. Now what lokaha sees is kalankam.
So even if they see that mark,
They have kalankam. They have given as a mark.
mark, spot or mark.
Spot.
Patitam. Mark fallen, you can take in the moon.
Even people sees a mark or spot in the moon. Patitam means yeah, Gatam. You are asking about Gatam, no? Fallen.
Patitam.
Patitam kalankam. So this patitam is the adjective of kalankam.
Patitam kalankam.
So lokaha patitam kalankam pashyati. Kutra Shashini. In the moon.
In the moon.
How they look at the, so this pritya eva with love only. This pashyati, pritya eva pashyati.
Like, okay, api. So like people see the mark, people see the mark fallen in the moon with
marking.
love.
Then also
Lokah
teacher with love.
patitam kalankam api shashini pritya eva pashyati. Now you translate. Now it will be easy. So first always you have to make anvaya.
Right.
So same thing what you have done. So lokam patitam kalankam,
People um,
fallen marks available. We can
mark
see
fallen
in the moon.
in the moon with
See
love.
with love
See the
only.
love.
Love
Yeah.
only. Same
With love.
with love. Same way there are some defect in Gunwan means virtuous people. This lover of they never depend become yeah.
They are not depressed by that.
Deepak bhai. Oh, unmuted.
Yum yum.
यम 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 नृपो अनुरागेण सन्मानयति संसदि तस्य तस्योत्साहरणाय यतन्ते राजवल्लभाः.
This is a relative pronoun. Yam yam tasya tasya. So nrupaha yam yam. Yam yam manushyam manushyam. Make any person. So nrupaha anuragena samsadi yam yam sammanayati. Give respect, to give honor. Then yeah, you translate. Deepak bhai.
King, like king, respect, offer respect to any courtier.
Courtiers?
Yes,
Where is
Sansadi.
First you are translating, no? First you are translating.
Like that.
Suppose.
Rupaha
Anuragena
Sansadi Yam Yam
yam
Sammanayati.
yam sanmanayati. This is now you translate.
Amen.
Then Rajavallabhaha is a courtiers, no?
Courtier.
Rajavallabhaha tasya tasya means this yam yam, no? For them. Tasya tasya, we don't like to they, but for them. For them, utsaranaya, what is given? What is the meaning of utsaranaya?
Drive.
Driving away.
Driving up. Yatante. Yatate striving. Tasya tasya utsaranaya.
The drive away from
Yeah, yatante. For them, utsaranaya labante. They can take away, no? So the meaning is the courtiers strive for driving away such a person. Tasya tasya, for that person. These courtiers, yatante, means strive away. Utsarana. What is the meaning utsara? Again, I forgot.
Drive.
Yeah.
Drive away, yes.
Drive away.
Right.
So they think it will be helpful, so they keep separate. The drive away, they strive, no?
Drive.
Somebody they give some honor to some person in the assembly.
Hmm.
So there some mantris, no, the minister, they take this, keep these people.
Advantage.
Yeah, please sit this side. No, in same way, the Padma Shri and everything when they are given, they give the direction like that.
Ma, so what it will become fully? Yum, what to write?
When the king is giving honor,
When? Okay.
Yum yum. For whom? Whomsoever. For
Amen.
whom? Or we can say whom.
To whom? Yes.
Yeah, to whom. Jayashri Ben and you both together. Jayashri Ben, because this is only 3 Subhashita.
Matram,
जातमात्रं न यः शत्रुं व्याधिं वा प्रशमं नयेत् अतिपुष्टाङ्गयुक्तः अपि स पश्चात्ते न हन्यते पश्चात्तेन न हन्यते
पश्चात तेन हन्यते. न हन्यते
अच्छा,
नहीं,
डबल
हन्यते.
था।
हाँ, डबल था.
यः
Hmm.
शत्रुं व्याधिं वा जातमात्रं न प्रशमं नयेत्
We used to say, no?
Yeah.
Suke ukto dami devo. What was the in Gujarati?
बस शत्रु शत्रु अथवा
Shotru
रोग
or
Yeah,
disease
रोग
Ah.
yeah.
should be when it is born, hardly born, should be
Prashamanam
Taken care
nayat.
of.
What is that Prashamam nayat?
to check.
Check them. Yeah.
Should be dealt with him immediately to be dealt with.
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Jatamatram, yeah, it should be dealt immediately. Once it is atipusta
No.
yuktena,
Jata vyadim, jata matram,
Matram prashamam nayet.
prashamam na nayet, na prashamam nayet. Then what will happen? This is nakara. is
atipustam
there,
yukta,
no? Even there is a palwan like
If
person.
not done, yes.
Ah.
If not done, if not done.
Na prashamam nayet. So if we are not careful for our enemy, actually like this, if we are not careful for our disease, jatamatra little bit. Then what will happen? Then
Shatrum va vyadhi.
Shatrum va vyadim. Shatrum vyadim, here va will come.
yeah, vavi,
Either enemy or disease.
Yeah.
atipusthana yukta,
Ati pustanga yuktaha api.
pi sapachate,
Sa paschat
पश्चात तेन हन्यते शत्रुणे शत्रुणा हन्यते और व्याधिया हन्यते. So if we are not careful, then
once
they
it is one it is
strongly built.
one it is
yaha.
complete.
So here yaha, here saha is there.
Hmm.
Relative pronoun. So yaha a person who is not little is serious for their enemy and for disease, jatumatram hardly they cannot take care. Then that person hanyate. Paschat.
Difficult
Paschat
to-
we can put here. Paschat. After that, saha. Even ati pushta, this all ati pushtanga yukta api. Even they have very strong built. But still, tena hanyate. It was killed by for that. Tena we can put both. Vyadina or shatruna. So pushtanga.
Saha. For saha tena.
युक्तः तेन हन्यते.
Tena hanyate.
So tena we should understand ten means by either of this.
Shatru or vyadhi.
So Rakhengar, no, in Junagadh, he was not careful. So he been killed. by his betrayed by their own people. So this is now easy now. Now,
Yeah.
Peter, fourth one.
Natyam Sratam
Snatam.
Vayam
Snatam. Snatam.
It is not properly written.
Snatam. Snatam.
Snatam. We
Hmm.
Vayam Agataha.
Hmm. So we
went.
Agata. Gataha means gone, but Agataha
Gone.
means to come.
Then we
Came
come. Okay.
back.
So we have come back. We have come. Or we came.
Came
Having bath in river.
having bath from the
River.
Natyam in the
Having
river.
bath in the river.
The river.
We came. We
We
came
came.
back. Agataha. What is the meaning of Agata? We have come.
Came back.
Again, I have put participle. This is like Gata, no? What you have said. In fact, Gata. The meaning is Gata means gone.
Go.
But here come. Agata.
Agata.
So we have come. For which purpose? For bath. So here, Vayam Agata. We have come for what? For Snatam Nadyam.
Snatam.
Bath in the river.
We have come. Okay.
So Mataji, it is not two actions
Now, but somebody says, why do you have come? The answer is Vayam Agataha Nadyam Snatam.
to take bath in the river. Yes. Okay.
That no, but purpose is not there. No, means
Snatum
infinitive
is not.
used, no?
Infinitive is not
Snat-
given, yeah. Otherwise, all the time we
snatam.
have to take, yeah. This is also, let me correct little bit. This is Murkha.
Yat vadati murkha.
Now, Deepak Bhai.
यद वदति मूर्खः तद मतिमान् श्रोतुं नेच्छति मतिमान् श्रोतुं नेच्छति न इच्छति.
So Yad Murkha.
Wise man.
Yat. What is the meaning of Yat? It is a Yat and Tat. Relative pronoun. So what?
What wise men? Wise men don't want
To listen.
what which foolish people speak.
Doesn't
Whether
want
they
to
speak.
listen, want to listen what fool speaks.
Foolish people. Yes.
So what fool speaks? That. If he says both, so what fool speaks? That wise man doesn't want to listen. Now one. Jayashri Ben.
त्वयि प्रसन्ने मम किं गुणेन त्वयि अप्रसन्ने मम किं गुणेन.
तवै प्रसन्न सति मम किं गुणे.
So my what virtues by my what virtues you are happy. And
What is the
And by-
use of my virtues if you are happy or you are not happy? Actually, yeah.
It is by which guna, by which virtue you are happy and by which virtue you are not happy.
That I don't know, no? Mama kim gunena tvai aprasanne, mama kim gunena tvai prasanne, like this. What
It's
is
a question mark.
so it's like I don't know ma'am, what
Yeah.
virtues
You like
you-
which
what
virtues of me you like that I don't know. Yeah.
આપણે કહીએ ને કે તમારી પ્રસન્નતાનું ને અપ્રસન્નતાનું કારણ મારા ક્યાં ગુણ ને અવગુણ છે
હા
એના
હા
જેવું
એવું yeah.
મને ખબર જ નથી
ચલો
પડતી
માતાજી મારા માટે કે છે ઈસામ વિદ્યા નારીતા તેભ્યમ નાસ્તિ તેભ્યમ પુષ્યતિ
કુપ્યતિ ગુરુ
કુપ્યતિ ગુરુ.
quite appropriate
ईसाम विद्या. When to whom vidya nahi, Esham vidya nasti. Those who are not study, tebhyam kupayati guruhu.
For them, the teacher becomes angry, no?
Angry.
So we can put also teacher is angry,
Will be angry
will be angry.
when
For whom? One who doesn't have knowledge.
studies.
They do not have study.
So how will we write fully? Yeah.
So you have to start for good translation. Guruhu kupyati.
Guru Kupyati.
Guruhu
Yah yesham vidya.
kupyati yesham vidya nasti. The teacher is angry for whom those do not have knowledge.
knowledge
Otherwise, you can start those do not have knowledge. Teacher is angry for them. Anyway, either.
Ikvatulena.
Okay. Should I remove? It is long for her.
Etavad dukham
Hmm.
sodum asamarthaha.
Asamartha. Ha. Hmm.
Haha.
Asamartha. Because of this, no? So.
Asaha.
No, this is actually now again. If you once you finish, then we'll split the sandhi. Yeah. Nari.
Nari Vishanna Bhutva Tasya Tala Upavisata.
Actually, it should be tale. Huh? It should be tale. But here now you try to split the sandhi from the back. Long, no, Shita? So, Aduma Samarthasmi Yukta. From there, you try to split the sandhi from the back. So, what would be here?
Yukta.
Yukta.
Iti Yukta.
Iti Yukta.
Iti Yukta.
asamartha
Now, this is
Asmi.
Asmi.
Asmi. Sodhum asamartha asmi.
Asamartha asmi. Because Vishanna, no?
Vishanna.
Yeah. So, Sodum asamartha.
Asmi. Iti Yukta.
Iti Yukta. Vanari ati yuktva. Iti uktva. Actually, it is not yukta. Uktva. This is they have put separate, but uktva, no?
Okay.
Having said like
That's why. No, otherwise it was becoming
it is
or.
not yukta, but it is
So
uktva.
it is active, direct speech, no? Like
Iti uktva.
Was said.
Mm. I
mhm.
don't know why this is.
Etavad, if you are
Hmm. This much.
Yeah, so
Etavat.
nari vishna
Etavat.
etavat dukham sodum asamartha asmi iti uktva. Saying like this much pain I'm incapable to bear, no?
Where? Hmm.
That's why
Sodom is
Vishanna
to bear,
Bhutva.
no? Sodom is to bear, no?
To bear.
Nari Visanna.
Hmm.
Woman, dejected woman.
Rejected.
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 Dejected woman.
Rejected.
Bhutva. Tva. That tva pratyay, no?
So having been.
Oh,
Yeah.
having been dejected, tasya tale upavisat.
Uksachitale upavisat.
She sat under the
Sat under the,
tree.
bottom of the tree. Yeah. He sat at the bottom of the tree.
Yeah. Was Vishanna Nari iti uktva. So depressed woman iti uktva, having said like this. So iti, this is in under inverted comma. Etavat dukham sodum asamarthas.
I mean, this lady has said, dejected
Yeah,
woman.
she has said this much pain I am unable to bear.
I'm unable to bear this much pain. Saying this, he said at the
Yeah,
base of the tree, foot
yeah,
of the tree.
yeah. Bye.
पापम परिहर्तव्यमिति मन्यते साधवः.
Main sentence.
मन्यते साधवः.
Sadhavah manyante.
साधवः मन्यन्ते. Saints believes.
Think or believe? Think.
Think.
I think. I think only.
Believes.
Sadhava means good
Papam.
people think.
Honest people.
Papam 3 by 1. परिहर्तव्यम इति.
Parihartavyam. Papam parihartavyam. This is again inverted comma. Iti sadhavaha manyante. So the papa sin to be avoided.
Avoided. Saints believe.
To be should be avoided, no? Like kartavya means to be done. So this is to be done means should be avoided. Like this is kartavya means should be done. This is parihartavyanta means should be avoided.
Sin should be.
Sin should be avoided. This or that good people think.
Avoided.
Gachet.
Oh.
Gachet. Iti yuktam. Taya. Gachet.
Lot.
Iti yuktam.
Madhyam Purusha. Gacha, gacha.
Gacha iti uktam taya.
Only gacha.
Gacha iti uktam taya. So taya is
By
3 by 1.
3 by 1. By that, by whom, by him, something.
Spoken by her. Spoken by her.
Go.
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 You go.
Gotcha.
Go. It's like order, no?
She told to go. Told to go. But in direct speech only in Sanskrit.
Taya Uktam. It is said by
Yeah.
her.
Said by her.
It is what it was said by her. Go.
Go.
Please go away.
Please go.
Said by her, no?
Said,
Said
spoken
by
by
her.
her. Said by her.
Oh.
Said by her. Because Taya Uktam. Main sentence Taya. Said by her.
By her.
And that ninth one, papam parihartavya,
Parihartavyam.
should be avoided.
Sins should
Sins
be avoided.
be-
That's said by good people. Sadhavaha means good people think. Sins should be
Honest
avoided.
people.
That, you can put that. So good people think that
That
sin
should be
avoided.
avoided.
4 minutes are there. We can do one English sentence. English to Sanskrit. Long one.
On hearing
On
that.
hearing that
The
husband had
has arrived, the young wife ran to the door.
that husband says
The young wife ran.
Krutva.
young wife.
The young wife ran to the door. Young wife means they have given young
Vadhu,
Vadhu.
Vadhu we can take.
Vadhu.
Vadhu.
Wife what we will take?
Bharya is
Vadhu.
Bharya,
Bharya.
Bharya. But they have not given no any time.
Yuva. Yuvati.
Yuva Bharya.
Young it will be from.
Taruni. Young means Yuva. It is given somewhere in the back.
Maybe somewhere Taruni word is there.
Young girl.
Girl. Young
That
girl.
Yuvan. Yuvan.
Young girl.
Young Bharya.
Yuva.
Yuvan Bharya.
Young they have given as a Taruna. So we can say Taruni.
Taruni.
Taruni Bharya.
Vadhu. Bharya. Taruni Bharya.
Taruni Bharya ran. Means Adhavat. And if you want to put something then Adhavat only.
Adhavat.
Dwaram, no?
To the door. Dwaram.
Dvaram.
Taruni Bharya. Dwaram. Adhavat.
Dwaram Adhavat. Wow, how? On hearing that. Having
On
Shrutva.
hearing.
Krutva.
Shrutva.
Shrutva. Tasyaha. What is called
Tasyaha.
husband? Bharta.
Bharta.
So tasyaha. Bharta.
Agamya.
Agatavan. It arrived, no? Shrutva. Taruni Bharya.
Taruni Bharya. Dwaram.
Dwaram, we can put Prati also at the door. Dwaram Prati Adhavat. On hearing that. So Tasyaha Bharta Agatavan. If you don't want to put head arrived, simple past tense, we cannot put, no? Now is a perfect past. Head arrived. So Agatavan. So what this is Agatavan means same.
Agamanena, can we say, Mataji? Agamanena.
Agamanena we can say, yeah. So perfect is the agata
Huh.
and active perfect. That's why agatavan. That's I had arrived, it is passive perfect. Active perfect. But agamanam shrutva.
Okay. Then Bharta should be in
Second
sixth.
case. Second case.
Second case.
So, because agamanam tasyaha, because shrutva, connected word with shrutva always goes in second case. So, if we make another way, then
Tasya.
shrutva is, but shrutva is, it is not connected.
So main
But her husband is tasyaha bharta, bhartuhu arrival, no? What you says, yeah, arrival is
So sixth.
agaman. Then it will come in sixth says, agamanam.
Agmane.
Bhartuhu.
Hmm.
Tasyaha bhartuhu agamanam shrutva. So having listened the arrival, but is arrival, it is called agaman is called arrival. You had arrived, but this is perfect.
So he is already, right. So Agatavan.
It's already
And with Agatavan, Bharta, no? Bharta only. No?
Then bharta agatva, because this is also one by one. Bharta is also one by one. तस्याः भर्ता आगतवान् श्रुत्वा तरुणी भार्यां द्वारं. He must be in somewhere in Air Force, no? Military.
Sena.
Sena somewhere. So now, how many?
7. 6 are left.
6 are left. I think
We
with
will do.
2 weeks, I think we can able to complete whole book.
Yes.
Yeah. Om Purnamada
Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate.
Avasishyate. Om
Shanti
Shanti Shanti.
Hari
Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
Hari Om.